Hey guys, in this video we will cover the last few objectives for the MO-200 exam, and namely how we can apply chart layouts, apply chart styles, and add alternative text to charts for accessibility purposes. Before we start, as always, I encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new training content, and now let's begin. So we've learned applying chart layouts in the previous lesson, but we can revise that. So we select the chart and go to chart design, and then here are your quick chart layouts that are essentially preset combinations of specific chart elements. So now we have layout 5 applied. The chart styles are on the right, so in the exam you will be likely asked exactly, for example, apply, I don't know, style 13, style 5, and you need to quickly navigate those and select the specific chart style. Notice that they each have a different look. Now, this part is officially not in the exam, but if you want to specifically format and change some look of specific elements in your chart, you have the format tab available. So for example, I could change the color of the columns for country 1. So I click on them. Notice that now I have only one column selected. And let's select all of them like that. We go to shape fill and change our color. For the exam, it might be also useful to know that on chart design, in the styles, there are also specific color palettes, so each with different names. So yeah, be comfortable with those names. And the last objective is to add alternative text for accessibility. That is super easy. You simply right mouse click on the chart, and here you have the option to edit alternative text, in which you can describe what is presented on the chart. So I can write some text, for example, chart about temperatures, but the alternative text should be a little bit more descriptive, but that's okay. And simply enter and close. Perfect. Yeah guys, so that is all for today and for the preparation for the MO-200 exam. I hope you find it useful. If so, smash that like button and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.